Welcome the our channel. Today we how to subscribe to InVision alternatives for collaboration and feedback, detailed guide step by step clearly. Consider tools such as Figma, Miro, or Adobe XD, as they offer similar features. Visit the official website of the chosen platform. Look for a sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on that button to proceed with the registration process. You may have the option to sign up using email or existing social media accounts. If choosing email, fill in the required fields such as your name and email address. Create a strong password that meets the platform's security criteria. After entering your details, check the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, tick the box to indicate your consent. Then, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button. Look for a verification email in your inbox to confirm your registration. Follow the link provided in the email to activate your account. Once verified, return to the platform and log in using your credentials. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. You may need to set up your profile by adding additional information. Start a new project or invite team members by using their email addresses. Integrate any necessary tools or apps to enhance your collaboration experience. Customize your workspace according to your team's needs. Begin utilizing the feedback features to streamline your design process. Monitor notifications for updates and comments from collaborators. Regularly check for any new features or improvements from the platform. This will ensure you are getting the most out of your subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.